Meaning of drawing.
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 Drawing. Drawing refers to the act of creating a visual representation on a surface, typically using pencils, pens, paint, or other artistic tools. The result of drawing can vary widely, depending on the artist's intent and chosen medium. It may be a realistic or abstract depiction of a person, object, or environment, conveying a wide range of emotions, ideas, and messages. Drawing can serve as a means of communication, expression, and storytelling, and is often used in fields such as fine art, illustration, animation, and design.